Well, hi y'all, welcome to Ginger Snap Thrifting. My name is Ginger and I have been out this weekend. I have been to thrift shops, I've been to yard sales, and I have snapped up some fun things. So let me show you what we found. First off is this big bag of dominoes. These are heavy, y'all. Now I don't know if they're all here. If they are, we'll probably keep them to play dominoes, and if they're not, we'll turn them into a craft project. But hear them? And then I found these cool, these are not vintage. This is a vintage look, an advertisement type thing saying they'd be closed. This is from 1993. But the graphic is from 1943. It's a cool sign. Here's the thing about soldiers. It's probably about the same era. Here's another. We will be open blank to blank on election day. Look at that. I don't know if that's Norman Rockwell or what that is. It was just pretty cool. You know, election day's coming up, y'all. And here's another card about Special Forces. Now, nobody in my family was in Special Forces, but I know a lot of people have Special Forces in their family. Okay, I got this great wooden sign. Pantry. My husband and I have been talking about redoing our pantry, and we may keep this for ourselves. We'll have to wait and see. This is a nice old wooden picture frame. Look how big it is. It's kind of coming apart at the joints. I'm gonna have to really work hard to put it together. It's got a nice chippy look. My husband found this and just really liked it. And I'm just gonna lay it back in here flat because it is pretty much coming apart. Alrighty. I think I know what this is, but I want to unwrap it and see. Alright, this is a sugar bowl. Isn't it pretty? And this is the matching creamer. And I have one more piece of this. I'll have to find it in a bit, but that is Irish crystal, y'all. Now this is one of those, it was too cute not to get. You lay them down here. Two more. Look at these pretty little ceramic butterflies. Aren't they sweet? You know, those will turn into some kind of a craft project. And then I got several of these vintage glasses, these goblets, with the little beads on the feet, two sizes, several of those. Okay, this was a fun find. I'm going to go ahead and take the tape off it. This is a Pampered Chef gingerbread cookie mold set. It's a silicone mold, so that you can just kind of peel it off your cookies. Have y'all ever made a gingerbread house, I have. Nice old wooden angel, metal wings, wire do flippies and hair, made out of old barn wood. Here it is. Here's the rest of that piece of crystal. And on the bottom it says Shannon crystal. But this is the butter dish that goes with those 2 serving pieces. So it's a 3-piece set there of Irish crystal. I love wood look frames. I found me a nice wood look frame. It's not real wood, it's wood look. It's nice though. A tobacco basket and paint it black. These look really nice with like one of those wreaths in them, those eucalyptus wreaths. Have y'all seen that? Really nice decorator item. Couple pieces of Kitchenware bakeware. These are the little 1.5 quart containers. Old aluminum funnel and an old flour sifter with the wooden handle. These are great, really, just to sift your flour. I have one about like this that I use. They're also great to put a flower in or a plant, whatever. Now, got a giant metal safety pin and a wooden clothespin. And somewhere I think I have a different kind of a clothespin. Anyway, these are fun. Got an old rake. This is hanging on the wall. It's got the things to hang. Put your cup towels or your washcloths on there. You use it for just whatever you want to use it for. These do work. Winnie the Pooh Christmas lights. How fun is that? And looks like a couple of Christmas DVDs, children's carols. I want the Christmas lights. The Christmas carols are a bonus. This is from Purgatory, Colorado. Just a little do-flippy to set up. It's a cedar base. It's a little plastic fawn and a little temperature thing. According to this, it's 100 degrees. I'm here to tell you it is 100 degrees out here tonight. Harley Davidson belt buckle for all the Harley fans out there. Little neighborhood watch sign, little metal sign. I will be using this. I'll be putting something over it. I got it because it is metal. Pumpkin metal wall art and the laundry metal wall art. And then galvanized organizer. Use it in your office, use it in your kitchen, use it wherever. All right, we're gonna pause a minute so I can repack this stuff, and I'll be back to show you the rest of it. Now y'all, look at this beauty. This is a vintage vanity chair. It's got all the curlicues. Does have some chippy paint. It's nicely upholstered in a dark green velvet. Needs to be cleaned a little bit, and I'll be working on that. Doesn't wobble. It's not loose. The seat's not falling off. It's in great, great vintage condition, y'all. And I just think it's just gorgeous. The next thing we have, I have been looking for one of these with the rack stand. There's the stand. Y'all know what that is? That is to make jelly out of. You pour your fruit through there and mash it through, and it would strain out the seeds and the pulp and the things. And you'd set this big, nice wide rack over a bowl or something, and just let it drip out until it cleaned up. And you could use it for any number of things. If you make your own yogurt and you need to hang it to strain it, you could use one of these. Use it to rice things real fine, whatever you need. It's a real nice vintage kitchen item. Thinking of talking about vintage kitchen, look at this. This is the Tupperware mid-century harvest gold vegetable steamer. Y'all, I have one of these in my own kitchen, and I use it always to steam vegetables in the microwave. If I'm doing it, if I'm doing a whole lot, I have to put it in a big pot on the stove. But just for us to eat, like some asparagus, this is my go-to dish. Got some metal enamelware camp cups. A little bit vintagey, a little bit beat up. Nice to use in the camper. Nice to put a plant in. Nice to sit on the picnic table and put your plastic utensils in. Now this is Texas Blue Band spoon rest. It does have the potter's name on the bottom, but I can't read it. It's got some grunge on it. It needs to be cleaned up. But I love this old Blue Band Texas pottery. And this is a fun cow creamer. You put the cream in there, you pour it out of his milk into your coffee or your tea. Isn't that sweet? I've been watching for one of these for a while. Alright, got a matched pair of wall pockets. Put these on your porch, wherever. Put your plants in them. Put your floral arrangements in them, whatever you like. This is a really nice example of Mexican onyx. It's very heavy. This is stone. It's made out of stone. It's a guy sitting there in his sombrero taking a nap. It's my mama loved Mexican onyx. She had a whole bunch of little bitty animals, but this is a really nice substantial piece. And then here we have, this is a milk glass Sunbeam mixing bowls. Look at that spout, look at the little ears on it. It is marked Sunbeam on the bottom. Glass bake made for Sunbeam. Y'all, I have my mama's Sunbeam mixer that she got when she got married. Back in 1956, I think, is when she got married. It still works. I don't use it because it doesn't run too fast, but it does still spin around. And then this is an old Fire King plate. The gold's wore off. If y'all have Fire King, don't put it in the dishwasher. And of course, with the gold band on it, you cannot put it in the microwave, but keep it out of the dishwasher, y'all, so it doesn't get spoiled. I know not too many people are going to want that, but you know what? I set one of my pot plants on it, and it still has use. It still has value. Has value to me anyway, and I'll know what it is. I'll know it's a Fire King plate every time I look at it. All right. 2 old metal toolboxes. Got a little blue one. SK Wayne, Texas. I don't know where Wayne, Texas is. It held something. They're greasy. They need to be cleaned up. But the paint's pristine. They just need to be cleaned up, and somebody's going to love these. They're going to love these for display or to actually use them to put stuff in, or maybe for both. Y'all, this vintage stuff, when you buy tools or whatever now, it comes in plastic. Lots of times it's not even a reusable box. It's a plastic bubble thing that you have to cut open with a knife. Two long-handled wooden spoons. I've been needing long-handled wooden spoons for my kitchen. Here's the rest of that piece. Here's this other clothespin. Look at this giant clothespin, y'all. Wouldn't this set look cute hanging on the laundry room wall? I think it would. Just a ceramic pitcher with ears. Just a decorative piece. We'll see what we do with it. I don't know. I might paint it. I might put it out as is. Kitchenware, Spice of Life. I never knew if these were cutting blocks or if they were to put hot dishes on, but if you know Kitchenware, you know what this is. And a nice big lantern, y'all. Look at how pretty and ornate it is. You know, you can, I'm not real keen on the finish. There's nothing wrong with it. I just would do something different if it were mine, or if I were going to do something. But you know, you can put one of those LED candles in it. You can put a floral arrangement in it. You can put a little Christmas poinsettia and an LED candle in it. Set it out on your porch at the holidays. Set it on your mantle. Do it up for spring, for summer, for fall, what have you. Just a nice mantle with all the glass in it. Very nice. All right, y'all, last thing. One of the great things about going to thrift stores is that you never know what you're going to find. And I am all about trying to keep things out of the landfills. So it just so happened on one of my feeds, an Etsy shop popped up, and this lady had taken recycled fabric and made it into patchwork sundresses. They were so cute. I wanted one, but I didn't want to pay what she paid for it. So that was in the back of my mind while I was out thrifting. And we walked into this thrift store, and the gentleman at the door said, "Hey y'all, welcome here. We are having a sale. All clothes is $10 a bag. All you can put in a bag." So, you know, I had to look. So I have got 12 or 15, I don't want to take all these out, extra large men's shirts, mostly in plaids and stripes. And you know, when the thrift store runs a sale like that on the clothing, it is just that close to going to the landfill. So I saved these from the landfill, and you will have to watch and see how I upcycle them in coming weeks. But y'all, that's it. That's it for our haul for this weekend. I'm filming this really late, and I know it's looking dark, but man, it's been hot. We hit 100 degrees today, and we're going to keep hitting 100 degrees for the next several weeks probably. But anyway, if you enjoyed seeing my haul, seeing my excursions to the yard sale and thrift shop, and you haven't already subscribed, I'd invite you to do that. And don't forget to press that little bell so you get notifications when we have another video come up. Well, I appreciate y'all. I so appreciate your comments. Y'all are so kind. I just love that y'all watch and that y'all are encouraging. And I just pray God's blessings on you and your families. Until I check in next time, this is Ginger with Ginger Snap Thrifting.